Welcome back to another video. It's your boy IC4 with an unboxing of the Festavia Philips Hue globe string lights. Here we go. I'm going to show you how they work. Design right here. Details if you want to know. Here's the side. So here we go. Been the Hue Festavia globe lighting, outdoor lights, but you can use them inside. No problem with that, clearly right here. They get pretty bright. I have a lot of lights on right now. These singly-handed are great. You don't have to use them outside. You can use them inside any way you want. I decided to put them like this. Give an example. Alright, so to conclude with the video, do not need the Hue Bridge Pro. I was told you need to, but I went ahead and got them and tested them out with the normal Hue Bridge, and I've had this Hue Bridge since 2016. That one works perfectly fine with these. You do not need the Hue Bridge Pro. These are very excellent lights. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe. Hue review unboxing video with a light demo and showing you how these look firsthand, camera view in person. So yeah, thank you for watching. It's been your boy IC4, and see you in the next video. Peace.